ProPainTA is a initiative by Pain Free Odisha, where we have planned to educate and train the professional pain physicians as well as the anesthesiologists who are aspiring to practice into pain. We'll train them for 3 days, where we will be having hands-on practice, as well as it is a tailor-made course. Whatever procedures you want to learn in proper, there also we can teach you. And it is almost like a practical session, less of a theory, more of a practical, where we do almost like 30 procedures in 3 days. Almost all the basic procedures are being covered. Both fluoroscopy as well as ultrasound guided procedures are being done. And I'll say that these 3 days for the first course was very wonderful. All the doctors who were there have learned it very well, and they have got adequate number of hands-on practice on the patients as well as on the mannequin. So I'll request those who are aspiring to practice into pain, they can come for these courses and learn as much as possible.